It took me 4.5 years to make my first dollar online. 4.5 years from SS2, senior secondary school, to in high school, all the way to 200 level in the University of Ilorin when I was studying microbiology after dropping out for medicine. Why did it take me that long? Drum roll, drum roll. Before I get into the reason why, I want you guys to like the video. Just smash that like button because just look at the quality, bro. The quality of the channel is going up. So the reason why it took that long is because, first of all, what did I even do in those 4.5 years? Number one, I tried blogging. I was reviewing God of War, those games, all those PS4 games. Then I didn't find any success with it. I tried affiliate marketing. I know a lot of you guys know about affiliate marketing. I tried that, nothing. I tried drop shipping. I tried creating an e-commerce store on Shopify to buy things from AliExpress for like $5, sell it for $15, take the profit. It didn't work. I tried creating an Instagram like page, all this funny content, like all this Tunde Head Notes, Insta blog, that kind of page. I was posting, nothing. I started a game center in the University of Ilorin. I sold the PS4 from one of my uncles gifted me a PS4 then. So I sold the PS4. I used it to rent a shop and rent another PS4, rent TV, rent PS3 with that same money. I think then that was 2019. PS4 was like, I sold it for like 95k, 80 something k or something. And I rented shop for, I think, 45k. I was still owing him rent. I'm still owing him rent today. Hey, that man tried for me. I rented the shop, rented PS4 from one of my friends, rented PS3 from one other guy in school, rented TV from the same guy. Like, bro, I just did any and I was getting sales, but it did eventually work. So I did so many things. Then I started trying to, I got into web design, graphic design, still didn't get any sales because the reason why it took me so long because I didn't have direction. Today I'll try Twitter, tomorrow I'll try Instagram. I'll watch one video from one white American person telling me to use Instagram, telling me to use Facebook. Then they'll send 100 DMs and they'll get taken. Like me, I'll be wondering that I didn't. Then I wasn't realizing that I'm Nigerian, I'm black. You understand? I wasn't realizing all those kind of things. Then I was just like, this person is a human being. Me, I'm a human being. Why is it so easy? Why is it so hard? Do you get? So little did I know that it would take me so long. Like, bro, I tried literally everything. You understand? I was using all the platforms. I use LinkedIn. The thing is that I will use Facebook for 1 week. I will not get the client. Obviously, it won't take 1 week now. But then I was thinking that it take one because I was watching those guys. Many of them were lying. Many of them were trying to sell you courses. Many of them were just lucky, but they'll be teaching you. Me, I wasn't lucky. You understand? So I had to do it the hard way. So I'll try LinkedIn for 1 week. Apply to web design jobs. Apply to graphic design jobs. Post content. Nothing. I'll leave it. I'll get discouraged. I'll come back. Maybe for 1 week, I'll not even do anything. I'll just be angry. Then I'll not come back because of Gary drinking Gary. Sapa. I'll come again. Try Facebook. Do for 1 week. That's what I was just doing. Then after that, I'll probably even leave the whole business. Go and start another business. Maybe email marketing or something. Or I don't even know. I'll just be going up and down, up and down. That's how I was just going until drum roll. I got a mentor. I bumped into a mentor. Like, this guy was my junior in secondary school. University of sorry, if you guys know about Living Faith Church Winners, they have two universities, Covenant University and Landmark University. So I went to the Landmark University. They have a secondary school there. Landmark University Secondary School. So that's secondary school I went to Omaron, right? Better by facets. So this guy, I was the head boy of my set. This guy was the head boy after me. So we were kind of close we were close in secondary school, not too close, not like, but we used to talk. So both of us were trying to do medicine. So I graduated obviously before him now. So him too also graduated. We were still talking, but obviously after school, not be talking with everybody like that. So we were still talking once in a while. And I knew this guy, he wasn't rich, but he wasn't poor. He was just okay. All of a sudden I saw this guy, he was he bought the day, I think that was the time when iPhone 13 Pro Max, that was 2022, right? I think 13 Pro Max was what came out that day. He pre-ordered it, he bought it. I think that was like, you know how our prices are in Nigeria. No, he was in Russia at that time, studying medicine. You understand? So it's not as if he was poor, like it's not as if he was no, he just upper class. For him to be studying in Russia, obviously his parents have money now, but not what I'm saying. You understand? But at the time I was like, okay, maybe it's his parents or maybe whatever. Yeah, this guy went to Paris. He went to, was he Spain or something? Like, not even okay, he just going there. He was balling, like going to clubs. I was like, what's this guy doing? MacBook Pro, the day MacBook Pro M1, I think that was M2 or M1 came out. He bought it that day, pre-order 2.5 million naira. That's when I open my line. I say, hey, bro, I beg, come and show me. And I did not miss it. I was just watching it for like 3 months. I did not see anything because of that pride now. But eventually, that guy don't he don't reach here. I finally messaged that bro. I beg, just hand me or show me way. Eh? You know, told me that it's web design that he's doing. I was like, web design. Okay. You get? I was like, web design. That is not the same web design that I'm doing. That not. He said no. That he's using Twitter. You understand? And he now showed me everything step by step. He showed me, okay, do use one messaging template, use one social media app which is Twitter, message this type of clients, apply to this type of job. He gave me one. Meanwhile, all those ones I was doing half of this, one quarter of this one. He gave me one. He told me that I'll get a $500 job in 1 month. I was like, me that I've never even made $1 online. Like, you don't understand. I've not made it for fun. I've not even seen any hope, nothing. I was about to give up to go and start finding job. No, I was never ever close to finding job. I was just like, I'll just keep going. That's about me. That 9 to 5, I've never even worked a 9 to 5 hour. It's almost impossible for me to do because I don't. Nobody can really say, but from what I've seen, I've gone through some things and I've never even thought of it. It's better for me to, better for me to send my phone or go and do, what do you call it? Go and do MLM or something. But that's besides the point. So he now told me that, okay, that I do this, and I'll get a client in 1 month for $500. I was shocked. I was like, no, it's not possible. I said, okay, no, I'll that. I was try. And I asked him that, okay, how many messages do you usually send to get a client? No, on average, so I'll know what to expect. And I said 300. I was like, wow, that is a lot, but at least I had the expectation. So after he told me that, I was not like, okay, let me start doing the outreach. I started doing on my way to school inside Kurukwe bus. You know, people know about all those small buses now. I'll be with my phone, applying to jobs. Inside toilets, applying to jobs. Inside lecture hall, lecturer is doing his own in the front. I was in microbiology. I dropped out of medicine because I got too many D's. I wasn't too serious. I was trying to make money, so I left. What do you call it? Lecturer will be in the front talking his own. Me, I'll just hide from there, be swiping, refreshing, tweet my feed, refreshing the search this thing for new jobs. On the way home, I'll sleep. I'll go home like I'll wash plates, so I'll sleep like 9 or 10. I'll set alarm to wake up 3 a.m. 2 a.m., 4 a.m. I don't even have anybody that was gingering me, nothing. People asking for accountability partner. That is just me. That is about me. I dey work. I don't need any. Even in the gyms, I don't even go with anybody. I just do my own thing myself and I go crazy. That is besides the point. So I did everything under the sun. You understand? Like, finally, one black American woman, fine, get like this. Light skinned girl too. She was like, she posted a job. Normally, when people post jobs, within 10 minutes, you see like 10, 15, 20 people. So people will rush the job. This one, I noticed that, I don't know, she posted that she was looking for a web designer, but sometimes that luck will just come. But the thing is that luck will come to people that are prepared. If I wasn't refreshing every 5 minutes, I would not see the job. So I was kind of lucky, but at the same time, I've worked harder than almost everybody on that app. So she posted the job like 20 minutes ago, and I was really one that replied, I tried to message her that she should message me on Instagram. She messaged me. Do you know how rare that is? Most people, you have the one that will be chasing them now. She messaged me. We eventually did a call. You understand? That was my mentor told me that I should quickly jump on a video call with her to increase that trust. So I did a video call. She was even in an army uniform. She's an army girl, but the kind of people that are in the army, but they still get crazy for it, like that kind of thing. So she did a call. Then she knew I was in Nigeria. You understand? So even though I've lost many jobs as a Nigerian, but now when everything just aligned in a way. So she was like, I hope I'm not scam. I was like, why would I scam you when I'm on a video call with you and you can see my info, everything? You understand? So we said, okay, that was June 2022. June like 27th or 28th. She was like, she wanted to build a website. I was like, okay, and I sent her a contract and proposal that it would be $350. She was not like, but she wants to release it. Because normally I was like, to be like 7 to 10 days. So it was a Shopify e-commerce website. Even though me, I was just doing any type of website, anything, I would do it. It's not, all those ones, they're not hard. So she now said that she wants to drop it on July 1st, midnight, like crossover to the new month. To drop her, she was selling some clothes, like all these women's fashion clothes, but it was handmade, that what they call it. It wasn't just like shirt or trousers, all these kind of things. It was like all this special type of women fabric type of clothes. I don't know how to explain it. Not African, like American, but I don't know. You share women's type of all this funny design. It's not funny, it makes sense, but I don't know how to explain. That's beside the point. So she said she wanted to drop it. I was like, that's going to charge cost more because you want to launch it faster. So my mentor now told me that you guys can go and follow him, Martin's Thedr Martins, the Dr. Martins on Instagram. Just go and message him. You guys go and follow him. He's the mentor of the mentor. So just go and so I'm not asking that, bro, like what should I do? And I say I should charge her like $300 extra to do it faster. So I now told her that it should be $650. She just said, okay, no problem, let's get started. I was not looking at each other. Maybe share this guy see it type Bruce. Like that is the thing about this kind of, that's why I always preach remote work, because the kind of money that they spend or they have is that the average income in America, right? The average income average is $44,000 to $50,000 a year. That is $4,000, or let's say 3,000. Let's just say $4,000 a month for ease of calculation, right? $4,000 a month. How much is $4,000 a month? That is 6 million naira per month. 6 million. That is the average income. How much is the average income in Nigeria? That is 150,000 naira. That is $100 a month versus 4,000 versus $100. Like, can you see? It's not even 10 times. That is like 20 or how many times now? Like 40 times difference, 40x the average income in America and average income in. So it's like the money, what is big to us is like what they spend. You understand? You know, as if them too, it's still money to them. It's not as if they just throw it away, but it's so crazy now. Do you understand? So she sent the money. She sent half. That was like 320 or so. She just sent $300, I think. Then I was like, bro, what the hell? $300. Then I did the website. Everything was good. We launched it on July 1st, and she paid the remaining $300, $350. So it was like, then it was like 300K. That $3 was like 600 per dollar there. So it was like 300K, bro. Yeah, that's when I went. That's when I went shopping, bro. I disturbed Ilorin. I've seen Ilorin. I disturbed Ilorin. Yeah, bought new watch, new clothes. Then I was like, I was dressed like one suffering guy now. Changed my wardrobe. I'd not changed my phone. Funny enough, I'd not even changed my phone for like 2 years, even though I was making good money. I'd not really. I said there's priority, but like my whole focus then was getting a new apartment. I'd also had to move out. I not to stay with my dad. We used to have issues, so and I moved out, bro. So basically, long story short, 4.5 years versus 3 weeks, right? It took me, like I said, it took me 3 weeks to get that $650 job versus 4.5 years. And I'm very sure if I did not get that mentor, by now I would still be either I would not have gotten a job, or I would have probably gotten one due to one luck or something, or like, and maybe after that I would just eventually even go and start working an office job, because I'm like, this is not working. You understand? So that is why I also created the Remote Millionaire Academy. First link in the description. It's basically me teaching you all the things I wish I knew when I first started. So it will not take you 4.5 years. It will take you maybe 4, 5, 6 weeks, 7 weeks to get your first job instead of 4.5 years. You understand? So it's going to be, even if you don't know anything about remote work, you don't know anything about making money from home, you don't know anything about freelancing, it's going to be that guide for you to help you get into it. First of all, I'm going to give you the basics, all the things you need to even know about remote work, why people are hiring, what is the demand and everything. Then second, I teach you how to design websites, because that's what I do. So there are so many other skills I can learn, but me, I teach you website design. I have 17 skills I learn, but I don't teach you 17 skills because too many cooks spoil the broth. You don't need 17 skills to learn how to make money. So I'll teach you all of that. I'll teach you how to brand yourself properly on social media, create a good CV, portfolio, then how to apply to jobs. I give you so many websites, so many platforms that people don't really know about. You understand that? That's where I got my $21,000 job from in January, in November last year. $21,000 project. You understand? I profited 9K out of it. You understand? And I'm not finding on any platform that anybody has been talking about. So it's a platform that was basically brand new. And I'm going to give you, I cannot give you for free, obviously now. So it's basically brand new, right? There are so many of those kind of things in there. Then also show you how to deliver good work to your clients. Even if you know how to design websites, it's different from delivering good work to your clients and keeping them happy. How to get referrals, how to get good reviews from your clients. So many things. So, and there's a Telegram group that is accompanying the course. So it's not as if you just watch the course and you're on your own. The Telegram group, you can ask me questions, I will reply fast. You can ask your fellow students the questions. You understand? So, and I said the price is going up very soon. So if you are, because of demand, people have been joining in 2, 3, 4 per day. No, not I've not gotten 4, but like 1, 2, 3 almost every day, basically every day. So if you want to join in and you want to save some money, join in now. If you want to keep watching while other people are making moves, no problem, you can keep watching. So So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on this quick story time on how I got a client in 3 weeks after spending 4.5 years, wasting 4.5 years on different hustles. So smash the like button. I hope you guys enjoy the content that is on this channel. The quality is going up. You can see I have my studio, my softbox here. Can you see it? I've had this for 2 years, but just that now my YouTube is going well, so I'm incentivized to use it. I've had it for 2 years, but I just stopped using it because I was seeing that my views were increasing. So I have microphone. I even removed the microphone because my iPhone mic is better, especially if I'm close to the phone. So I've really taken this to the next level. I have a good laptop now. I've changed my setup. Everything is looking nice. So I'm about to buy a whiteboard probably today or tomorrow. Whiteboard for classes on my TikTok, for live streams. I'll probably live stream on YouTube too. I've not forgotten you guys. But the thing is that most of you guys here are from TikTok, so it's just better to do it there. You understand? So that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button and comment down below if you watched to the end of this video. Comment down END if you watched to the end. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.